Did you know there's actually 5 different types of coronary artery perforations? Type 3 is what we see the most and is the most recognizable, but let's go through each of these examples. So type 1 by definition is an extraluminal crater without jet extravasation. So the crater is outside of the vessel, and you'll be able to see that on this angiogram, but there isn't a jet actively coming out of the vessel. So you don't see like a stream of contrast, you just might see kind of this bulb. So it is still contrast outside of the vessel, which is why it's categorized as a perforation. It just appears contained because you don't have that jet coming out yet. Still raises concerns, still good to note and be able to notice, but this might look more like a bad dissection than a perforation, which is why it's important to really pay attention to these types of complications. Type 2, so by definition, pericardial or myocardial blushing without jet extravasation. So this one, you are going to have contrast outside of the vessel. It's just not a large jet yet. So it's more like a poof, confetti of contrast, and you just kind of look and are like, what is that? Just minimal, but not enough contrast is exiting to show like a jet like hosing out of the vessel. That is what type 3 is. So type 2 is that kind of between 1 and 3 where it's not the crater. There was a little bit of blushing, but it's not enough where it was super obvious.